Hey guys, how's it going? Today I would like to bring you a really quick update about the Bitcoin, what's happening right now, what happened, where we are at, and what levels I'm looking next. And hopefully it will help you, and at the end I will have a little tip for you. Alright? Then let's dive into it. So as in my previous videos, first of all we will start with this current range, and we can see that the point of control changed a little bit. So I already moved it. I already prepared everything, so we can see value area, high, low, and point of control. So currently we are at the point of control, right? And what else we have here? So if we'll take from this high to this low, we are right in the golden pocket on the point of control. So for me at this moment, this is the current resistance, plus we have this daily horizontal, but I will tell you more about this current station later. We will look at the bigger picture a little bit. So first, where I'm looking at next. So we are at the resistance, right? So at this point, my only trades I'm looking at are shorts, unless for me we can reclaim this point of control and better even reclaim this daily, right? And then where I'm looking at next. So next would be this golden pocket. We have also the value area high here, plus we have these highs, right? These two, and we still have these highs, so we need to be aware of them. Yeah, so this would be my next resistance after we would reclaim the point of control with the daily. So that's to the upside, and I wouldn't be looking at any levels further because this is enough for now. And then let's say we see big rejection from the point of control, continuation to the downside here, right? So then as always we'll be looking at the golden pocket over here. So we see that we don't really have anything around the golden pocket, right? Not really any levels. We can see that we just went through this section. So I would be probably, again, I would be looking at here. We have the 786, the daily, the value area low. So this would be the support zone I would be looking at. If we reject here and we will go continue downside, we need to keep in mind that we have SR level here, right? It could offer some trades, maybe some scalp, but I would be careful, right? We have this low plus the SR level, so it could offer some trade, but for me, scalp trade, and we would see next. Then we also have here some volume around this area, so we need to be, again, we need to see what's happening here. But for me the biggest support is down here around the daily 786 and value area low. Okay, so those are the next levels where I'm looking at. And also if you still have some energy to look at what actually happened down here, so let's look at it. Where we were, what we were looking at last time in the last video. Well, we were looking at these series of lows, if it would offer some trades, but we can see that we went right through those levels, right? So there was no trade, right? We went just through down. So okay, if I see this, I'm not interested, right? Then we have this low. What happened about this low? well, you can see that you had some liquidity grab here. So for me, this was potential liquidity grab. So some little scalp here was possible. Then we were looking at this low. And what happened there? We went through down again. Then we were looking at this value area low, right? But if I get to level like this, I want to see some market structure change, right? Because we don't have any liquidity gap where we know when we are wrong, but here we didn't know. So we got the rejection from the value area low, but then we didn't change the market structure. So I didn't see any reason to be interested in longing this. And then we get the final move down. And what happened? Well, we have this pinpoint here. This is the last low that was made. And what happened? Well, we went through, we took the liquidity, and we just took off from here. And more importantly, let's say you took this one, right? And that's great. And if you were not able to take that one, then what do you wanted to see? Well, we did this, took the liquidity, then we changed the market structure, and then guess where we took off from? Yes, golden pocket, right? So this is, and well, it was backtest of the value area low in the golden pocket retest. So this was really perfect setup. I mean, even this was perfect setup, and this was the next perfect setup. So yeah, that's the reason why we took off from here. Then we took the liquidity here, we changed market structure, we were able to hold the value area low, and we took off. And yeah, what happened here? So yeah, as I said, we are at the point of control, and we can see that we got there exactly. We took the liquidity once, we took the liquidity again, we rejected, we kind of changed the local market structure. At this point, you need to keep in mind that you left the daily horizontal by like $20, right? So at this point, for me, it was screaming for liquidity grab touching the daily horizontal, and now we are moving down. But so yeah, this was beautiful. Yeah, and what now? Well, now we need to wait. I would wait for some market structure change, which we didn't get yet. So at the moment, we are still hovering around the point of control and the daily horizontal. And now I have the tip for you, and the tip for you today is to check my YouTube channel and look at the shorts, because last short I was posting, I was showing this move. We were around here, and I was showing this possibility that we would go down and then reverse, and that's kind of exactly what happened. Alright, that's all guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you. If it did, then like the video, share the video, and let me know what you liked, what you didn't, and what kind of video you would like to see next. And don't forget to read the disclaimer, just to make sure that you understand that all I just said is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. That's all. Bye bye, guys.